and welcome back to Hello High for another great cannabis recipe. Now, if you clicked on this thumbnail, let me guess, you like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. But even if you don't and you clicked on the thumbnail just because you love my videos, today I'm showing you how to make cannabis infused peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, but I'm actually not making a peanut butter infusing the peanut butter. I'm actually using cashews. So we're going to have a cashew and butter jelly sandwich when we finish. Now I use 3 infusions for this recipe: infused peanut oil, infused sugar, and infused honey. And I made all 3 in the HelloHigh Ultra Infuser. So let's get started. First, I'm going to make this cashew butter. And you need 2 cups of roasted cashews, Canna peanut oil or canola oil,